Hello, assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will try to solve a problem based on bisection method. We will try to solve a quadratic equation using C++ programming language based on bisection method. Okay, so without any further ado, I want to get into the main lecture. So first of all, I want to share my screen to discuss about some basics for bisection method. Okay, this is my screen. I hope it's all clear. Okay, fine. First of all, bisection method. This bisection method exactly works on this basis. If I very frankly speak on this lecture, if I have a function like this is a function like function of x, and if this problem let's say f of a is kind of negative value and f of b, that is point a, and that is positive value, and that is point b. Okay, so that would be negative value. If this kind of function we have, like if you put the function value of a, this will produce you something positive value, and if you again your another guess, this would be make some value for negative. If this kind of problems happens, then we can solve this equation using bisection method. Let's say if I have a function f of x equal to x square minus 3, okay, or x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so in this problem, if we put the value for f of 0, we will get minus 3, and if we put the value for 3, we will get 9 minus 6 minus 3, that would be 0. Okay, so in this case we won't get any value because our equation is already solved by this value. The solution is almost 3. Okay, so but in bisection method, our primary condition is to be f of a into f of b. F of a into f of b should be less than 0. As I discussed earlier, our function should be like this. One value would produce something negative, one value would produce something positive. So in that case, we will get f of a multiplied, this is point a, this is point b, so f of a and f of b should be obviously negative or less than 0. So in that case, we can solve this problem using bisection method. Okay, so here our guess is already right because this is 3. So this problem, yes, we can solve bisection method using another conditional loop. We will discuss in the programming interface, no problem, but I will go something good initial guess that would make this bisection method more polite. Okay, so I would say this is 4, then this value would be 16 minus 8 minus 3. So this value is obviously 5, positive value. So in that case, our value a is 0 and b is 4, and f of a multiplied by f of b is less than 0. Okay, the value is minus 15, which is less than 0. So this kind of problem, whenever you have an equation like this, that you have some initial guess that is minus and you have some another guess that would be positive, so the solution must be lie between these two values. So in that situation we can use the bisection method. Okay, so let's say our problem is this. Okay, so then we want to solve this problem using bisection method, and one limitation of bisection method is this. Limitation is only quadratic equation can be solved. Only quadratic equation can be solved. Okay, and obviously the graph should have like this problem, that you have one value and another value would obviously put something negative and positive. That means the f of a and f of b should be less than 0. Okay, so let's develop the algorithm that we want to solve in our C++ programming language. What is the algorithm for this? So actually this algorithm is obviously developed by my own language, so that is not something like any formal, so that's gonna something informal. uh, in my understanding I would develop this algorithm. So first of all, the first step is to define the problem function. Okay, define the problem function. So in the second problem, we will take some value, take some initial guess, and 3 we will check initial guess, that would be a and b, then check f of a into f of b is less than 0. If yes, then go to 4. If no, go to 2. That means we will ask something another case. Okay, so in that case, if our condition is this right, then we can go for further step. Define the accuracy we want. Then as our f of a and f of b, like this problem, for this problem this is a and b, so obviously bisection method works on this situation, that c value would be a plus b by 2. So we will then just get the average value, find c equal to a plus b by 2. Okay, so we don't know what is going this f of c value. Okay, if this f of c value is negative, that means our previous a value is something increased to c value, right? So in that case our new solution is gonna be a to c and b. That means f of c and f of b is our further concern. Okay, but if f of c is positive, then our this v value is decreased to c, right? Then our concern would be f of a and f of c, right? So in that case, we need to check what is exactly going to be happened in our problem. Okay, so you exactly kind of going to understand the problem that a to c or b to c. Actually, we are just we actually wanted to go from our initial case to the main solution. This happened by c equal to a plus b by 2, and this is the problem flowchart that we will develop in our next programming C++ interface. So first we will get to flowchart, start the program, and we will get the input a and b value. We will check f of a multiplied by f of b is less than 0 or not. If not, then we will take the initial guess again. If yes, then we will further forward. Then accuracy, we will ask for the accuracy that what we want, that would be 0.001 or something like 0.0001, no issue. And then if yes, we will get to the another guess, the c value. We will get the c value for a plus b divided by 2, and further we will check f of a multiplied by f of c is less than 0 or not. If yes, then we will get the value for b equal to c. What does this mean? I just discussed in earlier. Again, I will discuss it, no problem. This is a and this is b. Okay, so if this a is already negative, right? And if this c value is also negative, that means this b, this is this c, right? This c value is exactly existed there. Okay, so if my problem f of a into f of c is less than 0, if this happens, that means this is minus value and this is positive value. Okay, sorry, I just missed it. Okay, if my c value is positive, then this would be c. Okay, so if a multiplied by c, f of a multiplied by c is negative, that means b is tends to the solution, that is c. Okay, so we will swap the c value to the b. Okay, if this not happens, then obviously this c value would be negative. Okay, so if this is not right, so then we will swap the value for a and c. That means this is c and this is b. Okay, this is b and this is c. So in that case, we will check f of a multiplied by f of c is less than 0 or not. So here's the problem. Sorry, here's the problem. Yes, then we will swap the value b or c. If not, then we will swap the value for a and c. Okay, then our new value b is c or c is a, no issue. Then our new value, we will check this a difference of a and b is less than our EPS, means I just wanted to accuracy. EPS means accuracy. Okay, so here the difference of our new a and b value is less than our accuracy. If this happens, our accuracy, then our problem would be f of c, solution would be c. Okay, if this is not, if a minus b is not less than our error value, so then we will again further compute, again go for new c value. Okay, let's get into the problem, then we can understand this problem very clearly. Okay, first include conio.h, this is the header file effectively, include stream and I want to input math library. Let's check my video is working. Oh, hello. Okay, and I'm to math library, that is tmath. I'm using namespace. Okay, then my first problem is to define this function. Okay, define the function define. So as we have to define the function before the main interface, main function, int main function. This is my int main function. Sorry, int main function. So I want to define this function just before the int main. So this is double, I'm just taking f function name, double x, then I want to return the value, as I have to calculate these all problems and we want to use the function value in our further problem. So I am not using void, I am using return, that would return the value in our main function. Okay, so my problem was x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, minus 2x minus 3. Okay, fine. Yeah, I have to hold on. Okay, then the main function is I want to, okay, as I'm using, I would like to use the input output like format set w, so I need to okay, but in this problem I will use the set w function, this function to set up my font size, not size exactly, font spacing. So that's why I am using IMNIP function. Okay, let's just start the main function like cout dot precision, as I want to precision. You can skip this, no issue, but I wanted to use this precision value for my whole problem. That will be, you can add this comment. precision setup. Okay, then I would like to see out C double A B C E, that is for our error value, declaring variables, double for F A C F C. Now we will start the loop while C out enter first initial guess C in A, C out again, I want to add this value for in new line, so that's why I am using this. Be equal to, then like to okay, fine. C in P. I just want, okay, now it's okay. Access command is to check it out. Okay, it's okay. So this is my arrow mistake. I think we are in the right track. Okay, it is going for new value A. It will be like this. Now I think it's okay. Now, okay, new line. Fine. One. Okay. I just want to do this. Two, three. I don't want to do this inline function. 2, 3. Okay. This is my initial guess. I'm gonna for further. Here was my while loop. B. Now if I want to add something conditional loop here, if my guess is almost right, okay, if I guess the right value, that is A, that would be results in a function result would be 0. So I just had the initial guess right, okay. So if I luckily get the right initial guess, so that would be f of A would be 0. So this would obviously be my solution, right? So if f of A, this is my value is 0, so I want to return the answer, that would be the solution, okay. So see out, the solution is the solution I have to make this value in second bracket. Then again we want to set another function value. If f of A, B is equal to 0, then again our result would be solution is B, okay. And in this case I want to end my program, okay, so that I would like to add this return value C, return 0, okay. And also for this return 0, okay. Then if this is not happen, else if sorry, this condition would be else if, then again f A I'm checking my f of A and f of B result is less than 0, then break. That means I would like to break this while loop, else see out, enter invalid guess, invalid guess, okay. Then the function must have opposite section. End line. this while loop. Oh, sorry. As I want to have the initial guess till I get the opposite solution. So I want to run this loop again and again. Okay. So for this, I would like to add true. This would help me to run this loop again and again. Let's check this loop's working well. Okay. This is my okay. I think that's okay. This using well. Okay, this loop is again and again running. If I just out this true value, this would be arrow. Okay, so my condition is true. That would make my this loop again and again. Okay, my first portion is done. My second portion, I want to take the accuracy that we want. Okay, so in that case, see out if my problem f of a and f of b is less than 0, this should break my loop here and go to jump to this cout problem, cout line. Okay, so in this case, I want to take the accuracy value and enter the accuracy, then end line, C in E. Okay. C in A. Now I want to get into the main problem, so just to add something like this. See how iteration I want iteration set w 5 10. Okay, I think 10 is okay. Sorry, 10 is okay. Iterations, then value for a, value for b, w 10, f, b, minus b. What problem is that working well? Okay, solution X, sorry. this would be 5 minus 3 is showing here. Oh, sorry. Set W. Ten. I think it's okay now. Zero 8 0.01. Okay, it's showing okay. Now I want to take the value further. Then I am starting our bisection method issue. Bisection method. Enter or equal to error these two will happen again and again. Iteration. I want to add this value 0 in our variable definition phase. Int attention. if fc is equal to 0, see out the root is C. Return 0. If not this, we want to update our interval session on iteration. If fa multiplied by fc is greater than 0, then our swap a equal to c is b equal to c. C. Zero. The final root is C and so this is our main loop. If our difference between a and b, okay, the value difference for a and b, the absolute value for f function is greater than or equal to our error value, then we will go for this equation. We want to further evaluate the value for c a plus b divided by 2. Then if f of c is equal to 0, then okay, we just get the root of our desired equation. If not this, then we have to increase our initial guesses to c or b to c by this conditional loop, and this loop will be happen till this condition is settled down or not. Okay, so let's check this code is running okay. Sorry, these iterations below particular disk. Okay, our equation was this: x square minus 2x minus 3. So okay, run this problem for 0 and for 100. So this is 0.01. Okay, these are the values. Oh, sorry. That was kind of like I made a mistake here. Zero, 10, 0.01. Okay, our equation is solution is almost 2.998. It takes almost 9 iterations value. For further, if we want to organize this problem further, can take something in this problem. Okay. To add out set f iOS x fixed point notation. Okay. Zero, 0.10, 0.1. Okay, that's looks quite good. Iteration value, a value, v value, c, and a minus b. I'd like to make something more. Iteration set 10. Take 20. I think that will be look good. One zero one. Sorry, my accuracy was not 0, 10, 0.01. Okay, yes, that's almost look good. And this is our a value, this is our b value. Then I have to, this is almost 10. Which one to do this 10? I think, okay. Zero, 10, 0.01 my accuracy. Okay, that's okay, fine. My iteration value was 0. A is my initial guess, and then b, where I get f of c is 12. Then the difference for f of a minus b is 10. Then also I will get this value 5 and 2.5. This is my last accuracy, 0.019. That was almost very low for my accuracy. So the answer is 2.99805. that was my C value. Okay, so that's all for bisection method. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you want to further know. Thank you.